Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today we are going to react to again Acer Day 2025. This is a performance of SB19 and G22, 8-ton ball, no? A lot of you requested for this, so we're going to react to it. And I mean, di ako masyadong familiar sa G22, so I want to apologize. I mean, if you guys want us to also check the music of G22, I mean, I'm so down for that. But yeah, I mean, again, we have SB19 and G22, Acer Day 2025. Without further ado, man, let's get it.
Acer Day 2025, here's an ultimate P-pop collab. Scream and shout for G22 and SB19. Alright.
Wait lang, wait. Ano nangyari doon? Parang, ano ba to? Hindi ba siya planadong, performance? Like, yung parang slot machine na nangyayari, parang, kung sino yung magkakatapat, sila yung magpe-performance sabay? Ganun ba? Ganun ba nangyari? Kasi parang nag-goto-goto sa nangyari.
Here's an ultimate P-pop collab. Scream and shout for G22 and SB19.
Let's go!
I just have actually something to say
Nope.
before we start.
Oh.
Kasi when we were performing, nakita ko lang yung iba na medyo nagsi-cellphone o medyo nakatunga nga lang.
Patay tayo dyan.
Siyempre, ganito ba tayo
Hindi pwede
mag-party sa Pilipinas?
Hindi. Siyempre hindi.
Gusto ko lang na tonight mag-enjoy.
Siyang angas para itsura ni dito. Ni Ken? Bakit parang doon sa ano nila? Sa performance na isa, di ba parang naka-hood siya? Ito rin ba yun? Isuot niya doon? O iba?
Lahat. So pwede po bang sumabay kayo sa amin, sumayaw, kumanta?
Kailan pala eh. Game? Alit ang space ko dito eh.
At syempre mamaya patatayuin namin kayo.
Huh.
You'll know when. But for now, I want y'all to sing with me, okay?
Okay.
I'll count, then you sing with me.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
8-ton
Wait a
ball.
second,
Ay,
'cause
wala.
we going to the top and made a bet.
Sorry. I'm sorry, Josh. Nagkamali ako. Read natin.
Then you sing with me.
Okay. Alright.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wait a second, cause we're going to the top, eh? Better now, floating never stop. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top, and better now, floating never stop.
Wait a second, cause we're going
to the top, and better now,
floating never stop. Let's go!
Reading, exit. Take 'em out. Don't care. See, we're breaking all the rules. If I go up, get a bang, just do what I want, what I can. Serious, I keep it serious, this delirious, never. Think I do my thing and do easy, huh? Get it, yeah. Never care. I made it clear. Mali yung lyrics ko, money. Eating, you know what you're doing, but we're losing. I was working on my design. Lupit ng mga suot nila dito eh, no? Para silang futuristic na yawan. Pwede natin. Hello ba? Okay. Bakit kay nakadurag, Oh. Sana all maputi yung kilikili, di ba? Break hard, it's on bomb, down on the ground, it's on bomb, down. Malakas, mas wait. Swerve, swerve.
Slide, magundong manintala ay hindi ang bibitaw.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright.
Slide, magundong manintala ay hindi ang bibitaw.
Nice. Ang ganda ng blocking nila doon. Ano yun? Wait. Sino yun? Dapat taka ko, ba't parang ang dipis ng boss ni Josh doon? Hindi pala si Josh yung kumakanta. I mean, hindi ko alam yung pangalan ng member ng G22, I'm sorry. Laki ng boss ito no? Oh. Wait. Yeah. Oh. Nice, man.
Take it down, go up and down. Everything I want is you and more. Reaching for the goal, so high up in the air, I see it now.
Hey, let's go.
Need a change, need a
That's fucking crazy, man. I actually got goosebumps for that. That's fucking crazy. We have to bring it back.
Go up and down, everything I want is you and more.
Reach for the sky, so high up in the air, I see it now.
Need a change, need a
P-pop, man, is actually cooking. No? P-pop is actually fucking cooking. Man, cook, man. We are cooking talents, man. Shit, man. I mean, we already know how talented SB19 is, man. Pero G22, man. G22, I mean, I'm sobrang bias ako sa SB19 because I've been following SB19, just SB19 alone, no? Pero G22, man, they're fucking cooking as well.
Pushing down on the ground. Time ball, yeah, we break it down. Get it.
Wait. Hey, time bomb at the pressure.
Everyone, tuwagin natin. Kuya Robby Domingo. Let's go, Kuya Robby. Let's go.
All right, give it up for the Kings of Bebop and G22. Woo! Grabe naman yun.
Next goal out daw, ikaw.
I missed
Next
you
goal.
so much. Okay, again, palabangan po natin our female alpha G22.
Sabi niya, female alpha.
Thank you,
Men.
thank you, girls.
Sabi niya, female alpha yung sinabi niya dun, di ba?
Okay, again, manabang po natin our female alpha G22.
Yeah, I mean, they are fucking alphas, man. G22, fucking alpha, man. I mean, I don't know you guys yet, but guys are cooking.
New!
I'm actually curious now, no? Sa music ng ng G22, man. See.
Thank you, girls. We'll be seeing more of them later on. Maraming salamat. But I think our Acer fam wants to see more of collabs with our...
Okay. Just straight cut, no? Right, well, that's SB19 and G22. That's 8-ton balls at Acer Day 2025, man. Galing, man. Lupit. Lupit nila, boy. Lupit, man. Sheesh. Well, yun ang masabi ko, man. Lupit ng nag-collab na nangyari na yun, no? Lupit ng kanta na pinili nila para sa collab na yun. Bagay na bagay. Yeah. All in all, man. I mean, kasi diba, SB19 is parang ang laki nila eh, no? Pag nagka-perform sila, kain nila yung stage eh, no? I feel like if you wanna perform with SB19 and you wanna, you know, stand out a little bit, at least, no, you have to at least lumibel or medyo lumibel man lang, kumbaga, kasi I feel like pag nag-perform ka and half-ass performance lang yung binigay mo, you're not gonna be noticeable kasama mo yung SB19 sa stage, no? I feel like magiging may kang background pag kasama mo yung SB19. But G22 actually, you know, stand out, no? As well. Sa performance na to, hindi sila nagpakain sa performance. I mean, they are, K-pop is actually cooking, man. And a lot of, I mean, sobrang laki na ng P-pop ngayon sa Pilipinas, no? Pero I feel like a lot of Filipinos still slipping on P-pop, which is nakakalungkot, no? I know, I mean, a few months ago, I am one of those people, no? I mean, SB19 is, you know, parang gateway ko puntang P-pop, and now I'm actually appreciating other artists as well. We actually listened to one time. I'm sorry, this is one of our reaction requests as well na hindi ko pa nagagawa. Doon sa reaction natin sa All These Ladies ng DGYO, 'di ba? Another P-pop group. Man, everyone is cooking, man. I feel like yung mga sumisikat na P-pop group natin ngayon is hindi lang talaga sumikat dahil wala lang, pinasikat lang, no? They're actually showing something. Kung isa ka sa mga, I don't know if someone is watching this video na hindi pa into P-pop, man. Maybe hindi ka into P-pop, man, you are missing too much. No, you are missing too much talent, no, entertainment, and just for you to get amazed. So yeah, I mean, well, that's a reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mo mag-react sa yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, just comment down below. Kaya tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome and peace.